Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming essential prerequisites, your Outlook account credentials and server type. Once done, open account settings and test the connection. This reveals authentication or server errors. Make sure your internet, VPN, and firewall aren't blocking Exchange/IMAP ports because network blocks cause many sync warnings. If you see an error code or time, jot it down for targeted fixes. Now proceed to remove cached credentials and reset the local sync to force a fresh connection attempt. Once the connection check is done, repair the Outlook profile and data files to address corruption. You should run the built-in Office repair and then remove or rename the OSD file so Outlook rebuilds it on next start. This forces full resync. If problems persist, create a fresh profile and re-add the account to isolate profile corruption. Also disable suspicious add-ins and run SFC plus Office diagnostics to fix broken components. These steps fix most sync and certificate validation failures. To finish, validate mail flow and folder sync by sending and receiving test messages. Check mobile/web clients to confirm server health. Re-enable services and add-ins one at a time because a single component may reintroduce the warning. If the yellow triangle persists, start Outlook in safe mode and test with a new profile to isolate the cause. If those isolate the issue, you can narrow to an add-in or corrupted profile. Otherwise, escalate with the recorded error code and logs to your admin or support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.